Hello and welcome back to my channel, to Vicky's Crafts. I have a Temu haul and a monthly kit from Heidi Swapp. First I'm going to show you the Temu haul. I did pick up this, and it's for your ears so water won't go in it. Sorry for the noise. So it was very cheap, so I said let me buy them. They are in black, and the other ones, I like them, but I still feel like if water goes in my ear, so I'm trying to collect different ones to see which one is the one that works. So this is only a couple of dollars. So this one is white, so hopefully it'll work in my ear to cover it from water coming in when I go to the pool. Then I picked up this packet of 5. I want to try them out because they're getting so expensive in the store. I used to get them 2 for $8 in Walmart, and I got these for $8, so you get 5 for $8. So I'm hoping it does work. Gina did buy them and she uses them, so hopefully it won't be any problem. So I'll let you know in the future if they do work. And then I picked up this cute little flower tree. I took it out of the plastic, and it's a cloth notebook. Let me just show you really quick how that looks. And it's flowers. It's so pretty. And it does have a little ribbon, and then in the beginning it starts off with lines, but then in the middle here it starts off plain, so you get plain and lined. So I don't know if it was a mistake, but I do like the plain, and I was hoping it was dotted, not lined, because I love dotted books. So I picked that up. Then I picked up this bag. It was supposed to have a design in the front with, oh, it does, creative pencil case. And it's the case that they're selling like for $30, and I got it for a couple of change. And you put a whole bunch of pens here. You could put something inside here. And then here there's a couple of pockets. And then it's big enough that you could even add things here. And I like that this has corners here so that whatever doesn't go out. So that's kind of neat, because I do have a lot of pens. I have a pen problem. So I picked that up for a couple of dollars. It was cheap. And I'm glad I never got it when it was $30-something, because I would have hit myself in the head. So then I didn't think it was going to be this many. So it's washi sheets. It's 20 sheets, washi paper. So I want to see the quality of this one and the quality that the one that I got in Amazon. So I didn't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 packets with 20 sheets inside of it. Then I picked up this bracelet, or this anklet, for my leg. It's two anklets. So I love to wear this when I go to the beach. So I have that to wear. Then I picked some stuff up for my watch, my little hand watch. So I don't know if this is gonna fit, but I hope it does. And it's like a little plastic that you put on top of here, so hopefully it'll work. And then I picked this up to charge my watch. So I'm gonna try to open this up to show you how it looks. Oh my goodness, today is so hot. I'm literally sweating here because I have the 2 lights right there next to me, and then I have the light up on top, and I have 2 more lights right there. And so I am like sweating, and I'm never sweat. So who knows, maybe I'll lose some pounds, which I'm happy about that. So this is how that looks. And so you take this off and you put it in the charger, and you sit your phone, your watch right there, and supposed to charge it. So I'm hoping it does. So it was only a couple of dollars, and if it doesn't, I'll ask for my money back, because these things they do get expensive after a while, after you buy so many things and it doesn't work. So that was my Temu. I'm gonna show you my kit from Heidi Swapp. I did not stamp it out, so sorry about that. If you are looking for stamped images, you can go to her HeidiSwapp.com. So this is the first stamp, the big one. This is one kit. This is one monthly kit from her, and I love those little sayings there. You could put that in your tickets. So that's cool. And then this one, love, thanks, enjoy, okay, today. That you could use in your tickets too, and all of these details. So, and this is a long one here, which I like. And then she did give me the little bag kit. The other one last month's came all bended and damaged. So I have so many of these, I just put them to the side because I take all this out. And this is the stamp that comes in here. Let me just open this up. And it is stay positive, create good karma, goals, be happy, keep it simple, today kinda sucked. Expect nothing, appreciate everything, small steps every day. I'll try again tomorrow, I'm just that good. I'm okay, I'm on break. Today was a good day. So those are cute little things. And then she has this little pocket in here. Wow, this is like stuck in there. So she does have these little acetate little cards inside, and it's different colors. So it's acetate 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's different colors, little envelopes that you could put in your journals or calendars, which I love all her little things that you could put pictures in and all of that. And this is some cardstock, and it's like thick cardboard, and it's this booklet, and I believe they're different colors inside. This one says reminder, the next one says nothing, it's just lines. The next one is reminder in a different color, some lines, and another color reminder, and then the last one. So that's cute, and it's very good cardstock. And then the next tags that she has is these right here, and it's tags that you open up and you could write inside. That's cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it matches all the colors in the set. And then she has the stickers. I believe it's 2 in here. She always gives 2. Let me see. Nope, this one is just 1. So it's 1 sticker, and then the alphas and the numbers, then the washi tape, and then some little picture cards. I don't know if you remember in the 70s, these little cards was like the bomb to put photos in, and you would put it in this projector and it would project it in a big wall. So yeah, I'm dating myself. Taking a little break, so there's different ones in here. So that one is with this one. You could use it without it. This one is all good. Hooray. And then these are little matchbooks for them. So These are cute. And I think they are, yeah, she said there was a manufacturer problem, so she sent these that were not stapled together. See? These are not stapled. So that is everything for my Heidi Swapp kit. So it's the two kits. One is the big 6x8 stamps, and then the other kit is with this one right here. So if you're not in her monthly kit and you like these, she does sell them separately, that you don't have to be in a continuous kit, but it is going to cost you more money. That's the only problem. So as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I will come back with more videos of scrapbook.com, Elizabeth Crafts, Hobby Lobby, and Peachy Cheap. So stay tuned for those. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave it down below. And if you are not a subscriber of mine, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.